Star divine above so high, your light doth pierce the velvet sky, whispering peace where shadows lie. Gloria, Gloria, whispers flow as the falling of pure snow. Gloria, 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 let hearts glow. The night is still, the air so deep, while heaven's secrets gently see, a holy hush where dreams may sleep. Angels sing, their voices soar, a hymn of love forevermore. Gloria, Gloria, whispers flow, soft as the falling of pure snow. Gloria, Gloria, let hearts glow. In the silence, light is born, guiding hearts both lost and won, a flame to mend a world Oh, silent night, so deep, so vast, a whisper floats, a shadow cast. The stars they hum a hymn so pure, eternal light, our hearts assure. Noel, Noel, the sacred sound, in endless skies its echoes found. Noel, Noel, the heavens sing, the birth of peace, the newborn King. Through shadowed halls the candles glow, a quiet flame, the truth we know. The angel's wings, a gentle sweep, through timeless dark their vigil each breath a prayer, each step a plea, unbroken song, eternity. Noel, Noel, a sacred sound in endless skies, its echoes found. Noel, Noel, the heavens sing, the birth of peace, the newborn king.
Oh, holy veil of winter night shrouds the earth in silver light. Silent stars in endless skies. Hallelujah, voices rise. Hallelujah, sanctify. Hallelujah, still and bright.
Snow like whispers cloaks the land, cold yet held by heaven's hand. Footsteps fade, no trace remains.
Hallelujah, echoes sing. Hallelujah, newborn King. Hallelujah, peace sustained. Breath of frost, a prayer unseen. Midnight calm where hearts convene. Eternal glow in shadows gleam. Hallelujah, voices soar. Hallelujah, evermore. Hallelujah, we adore. Hallelujah. Snow falls softly through the night, blankets earth in silver light. Stars above, they shine so bright, a wonderland of peace inside. Hallelujah, sing with cheer. Hallelujah, love is near.